Hey there, my name's Alyssa and I am the owner and operator of The Social Factory, located right here in Woodstock. I am born and raised in Oxford County, which makes me so passionate about this community. I get to help small businesses through my own business. So The Social Factory is a branding and website design business. I do graphic design, logo development, and e-commerce website design, which helps businesses sell online and further their reach. I wanted to find a way that I could give back. I partnered with Community Futures Oxford to produce supportingoxford.ca, which is a directory of businesses that have pivoted and offered alternate accommodations during this time. We turned that website around in 24 hours. This was before the mandated shutdowns. Produced a website that allowed for businesses to submit their listings, indicate how they had pivoted to reach their consumer. So for example, Early Bird was doing coffee deliveries, so we ensured that all the information of how to reach them to place a coffee delivery order was all available on supportingoxford.ca. During the pandemic, I spent some extra time also starting a YouTube channel that focuses on how to pivot your business and reflect on your business and grow your business after this is all done. One of the big things that I've also been working on are grant recipients for the ROEDC funding that allow businesses to get online to be able to add a shopping cart and sell online. So e-commerce is a really big part of my business. Baron Fox is one of the e-commerce platforms that I've worked with. There are a few others locally, including Soul Purpose Bars, and it's just really great to see these businesses grow and thrive, and I feel entirely honored to be entrusted with their brand and their website. I think I've done enough talking about The Social Factory from my perspective as a business. I think it's a good time to kind of put in a couple testimonials from my amazing clients about their experience in working with The Social Factory. And I just want to say thank you so much for the nominations. Thank you to my peers, thank you to my clients for nominating me for Young Entrepreneur Award. It's really, really moving, and I'm just grateful to have been nominated in the first place. So thank you guys so much. I hope that you've learned a little bit more about The Social Factory. If you want to visit me, you can at thesocialfactory.ca online and at thesocialfactory.ca on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Bye.